What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Just a quick update on where things are at. The new version of the strategy has been running for about a day and a half. Half day yesterday eked out a slight gain of about 6 basis points, and today was actually a pretty good day. It was up, strategy was up 1.55% today, so that was pretty good. There's a pretty big trading range, about a 4% swing from the high to the low and back again, and the strategy kind of hung with things and readjusted its orders as the trading range moved around, which looks promising so far. But the interesting thing that I ran into today that I haven't seen yet and I had not accounted for in this is I saw some trade busts for the first time, which is very strange because the market today was actually quite a bit more quiet than it has been in the recent past. So it wasn't like there was a lot of delays in the trades or the execution or the quotes or anything like that. So I'm not sure exactly what was going on, but the algorithm didn't receive any notifications about the trade bus, and so there was a discrepancy between the inventory that the algo had and the inventory in real life. And so that is something I'm going to have to look into further. Apparently there's a WebSocket that can be used to monitor trade bust information, and so I'll have to figure out how I go about setting up the subscription to that, because I don't think those notifications came through on the order status events that Paradex issued, showing that those trades had been canceled or busted. So I will need to go through the log files though to verify that. But fortunately, I had been monitoring the strategy this morning as I was kind of looking at some statistics on it and working on some trade reporting, and noticed that I had seen those trade busts come through. So checked the strategy, and sure enough, it didn't know about the trade bust. So I shut the strategy down. Kind of was keeping an eye on the Discord at Paradex to see what was going on, and they had confirmed that they were having issues at the exchange. So kept the strategy off for a little bit. It's probably about 2 or 3 hours today before re-enabling it. But overall, a pretty good day for it. The market was a bit quieter than it had been, so that might have helped things. So I'm kind of curious now that I'm trading it on a larger time frame, how it's going to respond if volatility starts picking up strongly again. So we'll have to see on that. I kind of put the Binance order book stuff on pause for a little bit because I want to implement some trade reporting. Basically, I want to track the number of trades, profit and loss per trade, how long the trades are, how long each trade is open for. Because there's not really an easy way to export this information from the Paradex UI, so it would be nice to kind of see that. I was actually kind of surprised that I'm basically trading in this kind of minimally funded account. It's got roughly $50 in it, and it probably traded through almost $50,000 worth of futures in a 24-hour period. So generated quite a few trades and ended up doing pretty good for the day. I was actually very happy how I'd adjusted the changing ranges, and then as it was accumulating inventory, like when the market was moving down earlier in the morning, just getting very aggressive with its posting its asks to make sure that the inventory didn't accumulate too rapidly. So, but also, like I said, the volatility today was not quite as high as it has been recently. So it'll be interesting to see if things kind of get a little bit crazy again with what's going on in the stock market and the news. If we see that volatility pick up, how the strategy is going to respond to that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get going on the reporting, so I'll be able to actually report on some statistics on the number of trades generated and stuff like that, and then also figure out what the heck is going on with these trade busts and how do I account for this and watch out for it in the algorithm itself. So hopefully be back in the next couple days with some news on what I've been able to find, and then I'll get back to studying some Binance data for the order flow and order book imbalances. So hope you guys are having an awesome week, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them here in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.